today I'm getting the unit, wig, toupee, whatever you want to call it, by my good friend Archie. She asked me to be a model, I believe a couple of months ago, so I've been bumming it out, as you can see, looking scruffy, but today is the day, so yeah, let's get into it. This is the finished product. Your boy's looking good. Archie brought me back to life. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave any comments below if you have any questions. And of course, if you want to get this service as well, I'll put Archie's information below. So hit her up. I'm looking good. Appreciate y'all watching.